Hi guys, thank you for always stay tuned with my YouTube channel about crochet. Right now, I want to give you some of how I made the curtain in behind of me. Blooming beauty flower like that. And I use it to decoration of my room, my private room like this in the door. And as you can see, it looks very beautiful and nice. And yeah, as you can look in my behind of me, like this in my wall, there's many green plant like that. Actually, I don't have a planet before, but I thought that I got inspiration for some of the Pinterest and also from the YouTube channel, and I found the some of pattern from the Pinterest too. But this how to make garland like this. This one I got it from the Pinterest, and also the, making this flower. I think it's a nice flower like daisy too, and you need to attach it here. Attach it like this, and yeah, this is nice, and it's very easy for the beginner. It's really worth it to try. Not need effort to make it. If you are someone looking for a nice project, easy project for a beginner, I think you need to try this one. So, if you want to look at how I made it, just stay tuned in my tutorial today. And also, don't forget to hit thumb below. Subscribe me if you like my channel, and so you get the new tutorial of mine. Without wasting our time, so let's start how to make this blooming flower curtain like this. First of all, you need to provide 3 yarn colors. I use green, white, and pink. This is for garland leaf and also for the flower like you see here. Because this yarn size is for fly, I use a hook with size of 3 mm. As you can see here, I think it's not clear here, yeah. And now we create the leaves first. You can start with slip stitch first and then make a chain here. I told all of you already know how to make chain, and this is I make a slowly or step by step how to make it, so the beginner will be can follow this, and then skip 1 chain, make single crochet first, and then in the next stitch you make half double crochet. Next, for stitch, you need to add 1 double crochet for each of stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next stitch, you add 1 half double crochet. In the last of stitch, you add 1 single crochet. And then slip stitch in the same stitch. Now add again 8 chains because we want to add 2 in the bottom. We want to add 2 leaves, and in the next then we add again different with the bottom ones. So you need to repeat from make a single crochet first and half double crochet, or double crochet, half double crochet, and then slip stitch to the first time, joining between the first slip and the next slip. Just look at my video here or follow it, and I think is you can just repeat it as first slip before.
Joining of the first leaf with the second leaf is different, so make sure you put both of the yarn in the first leaf, then make a slip stitch like this one I show you, and then make 23 chains. From here you need to repeat again how to make leaves as before. You don't need to thinking much about it, just start or repeat from making single, skip one chain first, and then make single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, and half double crochet, and the last one is single crochet followed by slip stitch. Just repeat the same pattern as you start from the 23 chain, and then making leaves as previous before until you get 16 of leaves, and then you put it some remaining yarn in the last of the chain to make sure to tie to your window or your door curtain. Now we need to make a flower, daisy flower. So start with magic ring like I make it here. Add 1 chain, then 5 single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5, and then pull the yarn so it's like more round here. I don't make a slip stitch here, and I need to continue it to the second row because I change the yarn color into another color. For here I use pink. This is the tip I use when I join my color, so I don't need to cut it in the beginning. I just adding it, and after all of the yarn already finished, I cut it or add 3 chain here, and then in the next stitch you need to add 2 double crochet. I suggest you to hide remaining color like pink and other white color while you make a flower, so your flower more stable. And then start with 3 chain, and the next you make 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then make 3 chain and slip stitch in the next of the stitch, and make it 2 double crochet again, and work with 3 chain. After that, slip stitch again in the next stitch. You need to repeat it this pattern until you get 5 petals, and then you need to hide another remaining yarn after you already finish all. This is too easy, and also for the beginner too. Just look at my video and I'm sure you can follow it with step by step. The final step, you need a hot glue to attach flower to the leaves. As you see here, I attach it one by one to my garland leaves and attach it in the upper of the leaf as here. And after you finish all, you can tie it to your window hanging or your door hanging. Okay, this is all the how you can make a curtain bloomy beautiful flower like this. I hope you enjoy my video. If you like it, don't forget to hit thumb below and subscribe my channel to get more new video channel from me.